Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today let us discuss about a small story. And today our story name is The Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So once upon a time there lived a king and a queen. So the queen was very honorable and she is very kind and beautiful hearted girl. So her life was everything happy and the king was also a very good man. So the only loss or only bad in her life is she don't have any children. So as she is not having children, like every day she used to feel like somewhat bad. So then one day she is actually weaving like she's weaving a example weaving a cloth. So while weaving a bird came and disrupted. So her needle was poked into her finger and the blood drop went and fall on the snow. So the blood drop was changed into a smiley face. So then the queen felt very happy and she asked that my dear snow god, please gift me a baby. She asked. So the god felt bad for that and he had gifted a baby to her as she was in a pregnancy. So when she was in the pregnancy of 7th month or 8th month, she got fell sick. So when she was feeling like that, then many doctors have suggested her or many doctors have checked her, but no use. After giving birth to the baby, that particular day only she had passed away. So the king was taking care of the girl child from them, but as the king is having some works, he used to not take care of his daughter properly. So he thought that the daughter need to have some mother care. Then then he had done the second marriage, and the queen who had came, means the stepmother of the Snow White, she was very cruel, like some people. So she used to torture her daughter. Anyway, like with a very fairness and very kindness, the Snow White had grown up. And once the finally one day the stepmother had influenced the king also without taking care of his daughter. So she had took a magic mirror which tells the truth always. So then once the stepmother asked the mirror that who is the fair girl or a fairest one in this world. Then the magic mirror said, you are the fair, but frank or kind hearted is the Snow White. Then the stepmother felt very bad about that, and anyway she sent Snow White to a forest, and she sent a soldier to there to kill her and bring her heart as a proof. So he went, but he don't wanted to kill the Snow White. Then the Snow White said, "Please kill me, or mother gets anger." So then he let Snow White ran from there. Then from like let Snow White ran from there, and from then she is living with the seven dwarfs. And he had cut an animal, and he took that heart as a proof. So once she in the forest, she was going with a very hungry. So in one house, she got some food. So she was eating that, and she had felt happily on the bed. Then the house owners were seven dwarfs. So the seven dwarfs had came to the home. When they saw one man's plate was empty, then he said that why this plate was very empty, who had ate my lunch or dinner. Then the seven dwarfs saw the Snow White sleeping on the bed. So they got like they were surprised, or they felt very like happy. And anyway they made a Snow White as a member of their home, and they were living with that. So Snow White, after waking up, she got very like what would you say, she got very confused, and she shouted, where I am and who are these seven members. Then they said, we are seven dwarfs, we were the owners for this home. From then the Snow White was living with them very happily. So once the this stepmother had asked the magic mirror, now who is very fair and frank. Then the magic mirror said, yes, you are fair, but frank is only the Snow White. Then she said that, oh, I had killed her, how can be she. Then the magic mirror said, she's living near the seven dwarfs. Then the stepmother got angry and she had broken the magic mirror, and she had kidnapped the king, and like she had placed in one area. So then she had changed into another woman form, and with her magic tricks, and she had mixed the poison with the apples. So she gave that apple to the Snow White, and the Snow White ate that, and she had lost her life. So anyway, they were carrying that body through the city. So when they were traveling that, what would you say? Suddenly the prince came. Actually, the Snow White's, uh, the prince dream girl was Snow White. So he saw that and he felt bad, and he was going back. Then suddenly the rock had hit the one man's leg. So then the Snow White, she moved somewhat. She moved. Then the prince he kissed her on her forehead. So then she woke up, and they both went on a search of her father. So the prince asked the stepmother very angrily and very harshly. Then the stepmother said where she had kept his father. So then they brought out, and from then the stepmother was not lost her life, but she is living with a very attitude and a guilt. So then uh, we can so then from then the prince and the Snow White and the father, they were living very happily in that kingdom. So this is today's story. Thank you.